Hello and welcome to this introduction to the video series on the matrix of time. If you are a curious individual about the world around you, then very likely the topics in this video series will be of interest to you. So I'll quickly highlight some of the topics that will be in these 8 videos. So what is time? When we look at a clock like this clock on the wall, we think that's time. But that's not time. It's an instrument that measures change of matter in units we call time. Then we ask, what is space? We think of space as what is shown in the picture to the left. But this is not space. What this is matter in space. If there wasn't any matter, space would have no dimensions. So we've just defined time as a measurement of change in matter, and we've said that space has no dimensions unless there's matter in it. So what is matter? We better understand this pretty well because it seems to help to define the properties of time and space. Now, what happens when we look at the atomic world? In the atomic world, we find out that matter has a split personality. It behaves as a particle or an object when we're observing or measuring it, and it behaves as a wave when we're not observing or not measuring it. If the behavior of atomic matter seems to change, whether we're observing it or not, who's watching who? The quantum array experiment in physics and the quasar experiment both challenge our very understanding of what is the past, the present, and the future, and they blow up the concepts of past and future and bring everything into the eternal now. The phenomenon of entanglement opens our minds to the concept that atomic particles can communicate instantly over billions of light years. So what do physicists have to say about the nature of reality at the quantum level? If these questions that have been presented in these last few slides are of interest to you, then these 8 videos in this series are for you. The sequence to watch the videos are in the thumbnails of each video. For example, 1, the introduction of time, it shows in the thumbnail is 1 of 8. So I hope you join me. If you want to hear these Matrix of Time videos, please subscribe below or in the other videos to be notified of new presentations. And for a more technical approach, you can visit my website at www.multidimensionaltime.com.